Hey everybody, Kelly here, and want to talk today a little bit about utilizing a marketing technique that, when utilized and done correctly, will start to have an immediate impact in your business and could lead to not only leads but conversions by the end of the month. And it's really a concept that in all of my communications, whether it's on Facebook mastermind type groups, and I belong to tons of these, or with conversations with local guys that are actually crushing it, this concept is rarely mentioned or taught. So what I want to do is I want to share with you something that you can do right away. And like I said, if you do it right, you're going to start to see immediate impact and possible closings within the first 30 to 60 days of implementing the strategy. And by the way, I'll get into this in a minute, but you're going to find that this marketing technique is way, way less expensive than the traditional direct mail. And guys, I utilize direct mail. I utilize postcards. I utilize regular Facebook marketing, and I do a lot of free lead generation and marketing. But today we're going to talk about custom audiences. So for those of you that have had, closings over the last 1 to 7 years, and you've got could even be farther out, but you've got a master list that you've kept of your clients. One of the things that a good agent will do will keep top of mind to those past clients, sending out birthday cards or thank you cards or update, communicating with them. And the method that most agents have chosen is, again, direct mail or postcards. And those can be expensive. You're talking about 50 to 75 cents per letter or more for postcards. Well, if you got 1,000 clients and you do that once a month, you do the math. That could be $400 to $1,000 a month to stay top of mind. Well, guys, today is a lot different. Social media is where the majority of people are hanging out. I mean, think about you. How many times are you on Facebook? And when you're on Facebook and something pops up, you see it right there. And when you're on your personal wall, have you ever gone someplace on the internet and looked at maybe a store, Home Depot, Kohl's? You went and looked at some things, or cars. Car companies are notorious. And for whatever reason, for the next month, those websites keep popping up. Guys, it happens to me all the time. They're retargeting you. Well, what you can do is you can utilize this Facebook custom audience feature and literally once, twice, or 3 times a month, send out an ad just to those people. So in the case of your referrals, let's say you got 500 referrals or 500 past clients. You can generate an ad on Facebook just to them. This ad will show up on their wall, and it might be a thank you for being a past client. It might be, I am the local real estate agent, and we've done some business in the past. And I wanted to share with you what's going on in the market. So as you're talking to others, you can share with them. Whatever your message is, however you craft it, you can get that message to just those people. And wait till you see how easy it is. Here's the other one. Like I said, direct mail or postcards can be anywhere from 50 cents to $1 to send. Now, if you have 500 past clients and you utilize the Facebook custom audience marketing method just to those people, going to their wall maybe once a month, and then when you're done, you delete it. Next month, you start a new ad. We're seeing those ads being generated for as little as $3 per client. Think about that. 15 to 20 bucks each time you market to that sphere of influence, as opposed to 500 to 700. I think you can see how powerful that is. So what you're going to do is you're going to craft that ad. You're going to look at your customer base. Now, this is a great, great, great tactic if you're marketing, again, to past clients and their referral sphere, or if you're wanting to market to future clients. And let me show you just one example. Now, some of you might be saying, well, I don't have a lot of past clients. That's okay. You can utilize this custom audience for expireds, FSBOs. The list goes on and on. So let me go ahead and switch screens. And let me go here. Nope, I'm going to go here. There we go. And let me go ahead and go here. Okay, here we go. So I use a company called MyPlusLeads, and MyPlusLeads will give me data on FSBOs, for sale by owners, and expireds. So for this, I went ahead and pulled up every expired, say in the last 6 months. The beauty of this Facebook custom audience, you don't have to go in and see if that expired's relisted. Matter of fact, if they have, no big deal. If your ad's going to them and they see it, you become top of mind. You might get a referral from some other agents, sell just because you are bringing a message to them monthly. Don't lose that concept. So what I did is I used My Plus Leads, which I pay like $39 or so a month for, and I pulled up every FSBO, or I'm sorry, every expired in the last 6 months, and I think, let me see right here if it tells me. No, let's go to the bottom. So I can download 784 homeowners information. Now, a lot of these homeowners, most of them I have a cell number, and a lot of them I've got email addresses. So guys, I can actually download this entire list. I can then upload that to Facebook custom audience. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that now. If you'll look at the bottom of the video, I'll leave a link. I've got a 2-minute, just a super hyper concentrated explanation on how you can upload this list to Facebook and use that custom audience list to start sending ads out on a monthly basis. But anyway, I can download this list. If I don't have a huge referral base from past clients, now I can start sending them an ad once a month to generate potential sales or work their sphere. You guys see how powerful that is? So what I wanted to do is I just wanted to do this video to let you know that if you're not using Facebook custom audiences, you're missing out not only on a way to digitally reach out through social media to clients, but do it at a very minimal cost. And guys, when you implement this strategy, there's no reason why in the next 30 to 60 days you can start to see clients coming to you and doing some closings. Initializing this strategy will generate closings for you. All right, man, I hope that was something that made sense. I know we went on for about 7 minutes, but I just wanted to bring this strategy to you guys. And again, underneath the video, there's a 2-minute video link from YouTube that I'm going to give you that shows you how to utilize this. You can drop me some comments below. If you're already utilizing this, please comment below and let us know what you're doing and how this success is for you. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. Every time I do videos like this, you're going to get it. And the last thing I'll say is, for many, many years, I was a VP of marketing and sales for a local real estate company. And about 8 months ago, I made the switch to EXP. Guys, I'm not going to give you a heavy recruiting push right now, but if you're not happy where you're at and you want a true, honest, non-recruiting 15-minute strategy phone call with me, below the video is a link for my calendar. You can schedule a conversation with me. I would love to talk with you about my career thus far. I'll give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'll answer any questions you have, and I promise you I'm not going to ask you to join. I'm not going to try to do a heavy recruiting pitch. If it makes sense to you and you want to partner with me, happy day. If you want to go a different route, you've always got my videos where I give you tons of free lead generation advice. Again, I appreciate every one of you agents. Keep hanging on. And guys, in the words of Richard Rollins, go get you some. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget, drop some comments and let me know if you appreciate this content and if this makes sense to you. All right, guys, see you on the other side.